In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and open autosave or backup files in AutoCAD. If AutoCAD ever crashes or you accidentally close a drawing without saving, don't panic. AutoCAD quietly creates temporary backups that you can recover. I'll walk you through 2 reliable ways to locate those files and get back to work quickly. And we'll finish by safely opening them in AutoCAD. First, launch AutoCAD, even if the program just crashed. Reopening it is the starting point. One of the fastest recovery tools is built right in the command line at the bottom. Type Drawing Recovery. Then press Enter. This opens the Drawing Recovery Manager, which lists drawings from your last sessions, including autosave and backup candidates. Look for the file name you were working on or a related item with a recent timestamp. You can expand the categories to see details. Then double-click a candidate to open it. This is often the quickest path back after a crash. If you don't see what you need there, the next approach is to go directly to the folder where AutoCAD stores autosaves. Type Options in the command line and press Enter. In the Options dialog, go to the Files tab. Find the entry labeled Automatic Save File Location. This shows the exact folder path where AutoCAD places autosave files. Select it and click Browse to open that folder in your File Explorer. Inside, look for files with the .sv extension. These are autosave files. You might also see .bake files, which are backups created when you save a drawing. Sort by date modified so the newest files appear at the top. And identify the one that matches your project and time of work. Before opening one of these files, make a copy so you always have the original preserved. Then, to use it in AutoCAD, rename the file extension from .sv or .bake to .dwg. If your operating system hides file extensions, enable file name extensions in your File Explorer, first so you can change it correctly. Don't alter the rest of the file name, just the extension after renaming. Double-click the file, or open it from within AutoCAD and your drawing should load. A quick tip for the future. Autosave files are created at intervals set by AutoCAD. Keeping autosave enabled helps ensure you'll have a recent recovery point when something unexpected happens. That's it. Thanks for watching.